Welcome to this key, Healing the Fragmented Aspects of Self. At the end of this module, you will have a clearer understanding about how thinking and emotional patterns become entrenched. You will also have an understanding about how to obtain wholeness in the self. You will learn to appreciate the dark and light aspects within your being. And you will learn how to integrate the so-called negative and positive aspects within yourself. It is recommended that you spend at least 2 weeks on this module before you move to the next key. So far, we have explored the mind and the emotions and how these influence the way you feel. This is important because if you are not aware of the patterns entrenched in the mind and how these affect the way you feel, then it will be difficult to take the next step to journey deeper into the self. In this module, we start to peel back the layers of your beliefs and explore the aspects of the psyche that you may be denying. We also look at duality and how this causes suffering and an experience of feeling depressed. In the first lecture, we will explore how we develop a false sense of self and how this leads to us denying aspects of ourselves. And from there, we will learn how to integrate the shadow. So let's begin. See you soon.